We've got a question here from Ronald. Ronald says he had a workers' comp injury. Everything was supposed to be paid, but hasn't. How can I get them to pay?
Well, if this is a workers' comp question and without a bankruptcy issue, then I'll take that. You know, again, if you were on the job and there's workers' comp insurance, they have to pay for everything. So I'm not sure what the issue is and why they're not paying, but they have to pay for your medical bills. They have to pay for the time that 66 and 2/3% of your average weekly wage while you're off from work. And then whatever type of disability that you may have, they have to pay for that. So if they're not doing that, you need to seek the advice of a workers' comp lawyer immediately.
Right, because workers' comp, there's no question. If you're injured on the job, then they have to cover your bills, right? There's no question about who's at fault. It's just if it happens at work, the company has to cover the bills, right?
Yeah, that's a great point. It's not like a car wreck where you have to show that the other side was at fault, or someone was negligent. If you're on the job and you're injured, and unless you were drunk, on drugs, or engaged in some type of horseplay, if you're working, even if it's your own fault, you trip over your own 2 feet, you're still eligible for workers' comp. So, it's hard for a workers' comp insurance company to deny payment. So if he has any questions, he needs to get in touch with a workers' comp lawyer immediately if they're not paying all the bills, because they have to.
And